I'm Evan Marlowe, a physician, a physical medicine rehabilitation specialist at Boomerang. I've been in practice since 1999 and mostly performed industrial medicine. Well, physical medicine and rehabilitation is a very broad field. It encompasses everything from spinal cord injury and stroke, pediatrics, up to work injuries, soft tissue, orthopedic sports injuries. So, because of the variety of cases that you could potentially see and the potential for some interventions, then I thought it was a really interesting, fascinating field. So, I pursued it. My main interest is medical legal evaluations and basically the work comp system is a maze for a lot of people. So I think it's been helpful to have a physician that understands the maze and can help navigate patients through that. Whether I'm a primary treating physician or a qualified medical evaluator, seeing an applicant, being able to predict how the insurance company is going to respond to requests. And nobody really likes to spend their entire life in the work comp system. So I think they want a provider that can get them through, get the treatment they need, and then kind of get them to the end and resolve the case and move on with their life and get out of the work comp system. So I believe that's the most interesting thing for me is figuring out the best way to navigate through the system and get people the care they need, but quickly get them out of the system and get on with their lives. Physical medicine and rehab fits in well with Boomerang because it is multidisciplinary. Everything about physical medicine rehab is about overseeing the care from acupuncture, chiropractic, physical therapy, psychology. All these things go through PM&R. And so Boomerang offers a lot of these options. And so it's a perfect environment for someone with my background to practice. Well, a lot of patients come into the work comp system with certain expectations. You have to know when to ask for some care and in what order. And I try to explain that to patients, and they generally understand that this is a maze, and you have to go in the right order. You have to ask for a certain number of treatment sessions, and if you do that, the insurance company is agreeable to help the patient move along. So I think part of the big art of what I do is being able to balance all sides of the case. I see patients mostly after they've had some care, and their providers possibly have kind of written them off or they haven't been offered certain treatments that they are able to get through work comp. So, what I do is I sort through what they've had and what they haven't had and try to determine with the patient a reasonable next step and move them forward in a way that they find is helpful. If something's not helping, I'll just discontinue it. But if they do find it helpful, I'll try to maximize that. And we always go from non invasive to minimally invasive treatment. And then as a last resort, I'll refer off to a surgeon if needed. The functional restoration program is excellent, but to qualify for it, you have to have met certain criteria. You have to have done uh, physical therapy, you've had at least tried to get psychology done or authorized. And so you have to meet these criteria. Once you do, it opens up the option of doing FRP, which people find extremely helpful. And it is authorized because the outcomes are so good. Once they get into the FRP, they realize that they have been limiting themselves due to pain, and they are able to find themselves more functional in spite of the pain and without causing the damage to their body that they think they might inflict. So it does help re-educate people, and I think that has been the number one thing that patients have given me feedback that even though their pain may not have changed, they're able to cope with it much better. If I had advice for someone that just entered into the work comp system, I would probably say just mm, temper your expectations. It's going to be a very slow process. If you've got a good doctor that's familiar with the work comp system, they'll do the right thing. They won't just accept denials. They'll try to appeal that and provide a basis, a rationale for that appeal. So I would tell people just try to be patient. We understand you're in pain and you're not working, and it's frightening. But I think with a competent work comp doctor, you'll be able to navigate it fairly efficiently. Boomerang's got a functional restoration program in addition to the outpatient physical therapy and acupuncture and psychology, among other tools. The benefit of all being under one roof is that we can all communicate. We see each other in the halls or we send each other emails. So there's this constant exchange of information about patients, and it speeds up the delivery of care and it makes it much more effective.